Good morning, students. Today we are here to discuss the chapter 9, The Clothes We Wear. Sorry, here it is written spelling is wrong. So I am going to correct you. The clothes we wear. Now, I have created or prepared some points for you all, a PPT PowerPoint presentation here, and I have already told you everything from this chapter in our live classes. So we are here to only to discuss the important points. So, fibers for clothes. Clothes are made from fiber. And what fiber we use for clothes? A fiber is a long strand or thread of a particular material. Fibers are woven together to make cloth or fabric. Means fiber is used for make fabric, and fabric is also called cloth. There are two types of fibers: natural fibers and artificial fibers. Natural fibers. Natural, see here I have differentiated how it is natural. First one is natural and second one is artificial. Now we will discuss natural. Obtained from plants and animals. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals only. Plant fiber. Cotton is obtained from cotton plant. Jute is obtained from jute plant. Plant fiber are cotton and jute are plant fiber. We wear the cotton cloth. We use jute bags. Animal fiber. Silk is obtained from silkworm. Silkworm is the name of insect. Home of silkworm is known as cocoon. It can be asked in your examinations also, so be careful. It feed on the leaves of the mulberry trees. Wool is obtained from fleece or fleece of sheep, means hair of sheep. Clipping their hair from sheep's body is called shearing. That process of clipping the hair from sheep body is called shearing. Artificial fibers. Fibers are prepared artificially is called artificial or man-made fibers. Rayon, nylon, polyester, terylene, that are artificial fibers. Types of clothes. Factors. Factors depending for the clothes from where we use this cloth or that clothes, which type of clothes we wear, in what condition. So here three factors are given: weather, occasion, profession. We choose our clothes according to weather. We choose our clothes according to occasion. We use our clothes for the purpose of profession. Like weather determines the type of clothes people wear at different times of the year. Like in winter you will wear the woolen clothes, in summer you will wear the cotton or light weighted clothes, and in different occasion like festival, you on the Diwali, Holi, you will choose to wear traditional dresses, or in the marriage function you decide something else, in parties or school function you will decide something else. That's like occasion. Uniforms are allotted to different profession. Uniforms are allotted for different profession. Like policeman wear khaki dress, army wear khaki dress, and you have a school uniform. Different school having the different uniforms, but that differentiate from others people to you. Like lawyer wear the black coat, same doctors wear the white coat, same like that. That profession also having the different clothes. Now, traditional dresses of India for women and for men. Men wear something else, women wear something else. So in Kashmir, women wear firans and shawls. In Punjab, women wear salwar kameez dupatta and fulkari. Fulkari is the type of designs which is used for that dupatta or salwar kameez. Haryana, Ghagra kurta with odhani. Ladies wear this dress, Ghagra kurta and odhani. Rajasthan. घाघरा, कचली, कुर्ता, अंगरखा. Gujarat, lehenga, choli, jacket. Kerala, mundu, blouse. South India, long skirt that is called pavadi, and Sikkim, long skirt that is called baku. In Tamil Nadu, men wear lungi that is called veshti. In Punjab, also men wear that lungi, and in Rajasthan, men wear chudidar, pajama, kurta, and angrakha. Gujarat, in Gujarat, men wear chudidar kurta with jacket. In eastern part of India, men wear dhoti shirt. Okay, these are the different types of dresses. Dresses we have read in this chapter. I have just given the some summary of that chapter. That what is the fabric and what type of fabric we use and what type of factors depending for choosing the clothes, and now traditional dresses of India. So we have discussed all the things now. So we are going to finish here. Thank you everyone.